Hello everyone and welcome to this new System.io tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can connect your Stripe account with your System.io account so you can start making money and receiving payments from your clients. So really easy, you will need a System.io account. You can create one for free using the link in the description. I also in the description put a link to a free kit for you to get started with everything you need if you want to start making money online using System.io. It's just in the description, the first link. So what you will need is the System.io account, and you will also need a Stripe account. So if you don't have one, don't worry, System.io will help you or guide you through the steps to create your own Stripe account. It's free, you only pay it if you use it. So once you're inside your System.io account, I'm going to have you go to your profile settings up in the right corner and click on settings. Then you're going to have to click on payment gateways. And here you see all the different payment gateways you have, and you can connect many options. We're going to use the Stripe one. So you click on connect. Then a Stripe page will open to have you connect your Stripe account if you already have one with System.io. If you don't have one, you just can click on create new, and System.io and Stripe will guide you through the steps to create your account. It's really easy. So you just need to fill the location and then choose the type of business you want. If you're an individual business, a company, and then you're just going to fill your legal name, email address, date of birth, address, phone number, and your social security number. On the other hand, if you already have an account, that's going to do it again for you. Then you just need to select from one of the accounts you may have and just click on it and click on connect. Then it's going to return to System.io, and it will take maybe a few. If we go back to settings and we go back to payment gateways, you see it's in progress. But if you wait maybe 2 to 5 minutes, you're gonna see it connected after a few minutes. Okay, so just refresh the page after 5 minutes, and you will see your account connected. It's really easy, really fast, and you're good. You're set to start receiving money and payments from your clients.